Welcome back to the next part of the Wikidem Challenge 40. So we are seeing shell scripting challenges. So in this particular project, we'll be seeing the 404 error extractor. So we have certain errors. We have to extract only the ones with 404 errors. So let's see the code. Okay, initially we have input log equal to, again this is the first command line argument of the first of the program, and if it is existing, if the parameter is given, then consider that, or else take server.log by default, which we had seen in the previous video as well. Similarly for the output log, if argument is given, then take it, or else then take output.log. This is a second argument. All right, so after this, now we have a if loop. So in this shell scripting, if is ended by fi, so that they are just bracket in normal program. So but here to end if, we have to use fi. All right, so to begin if with, we check if not, this is not. So f is basically to check the file, if the file is existing. So it checks if the file input log is not existing. If it is not existing, then echo, that is print error. What is the error message? Log file is missing. After that, exit 1 and then close for loop. My bad, if loop. Now if it is not existing, then this log file missing, and then it closes, the program ends. If it is existing, then this if loop is skipped, then it directly comes to this awk. So this awk is basically used to read or search for words or something like that. Now we have the 9th column. $9 is basically the 9th column is equal to 404 error in the input log. So it basically checks which columns have input that is 404 error in the particular program in the input log, and then with that it checks for the word secret. For this word secret is then substituted by redacted in all the current existing words of the output log, and then it is printed to output log file. So this is basically represents that it is then given to output log. Now after that, we say that is print errors extracted and sanitized successfully. So basically in these errors where 404 was there, we have to remove that secret and then replace it with redacted. That is what we are doing in this particular line. After that, exit 0. Now let me run the program. Alright, so it says errors extracted and sanitized successfully. Alright, so the log file was not missing. So anyway, the errors is now extracted and this thing successfully, it is done. So yeah, I mean, we can submit the program. So test case if passed, and that's it for this video. It's the next video. Thank you.